Today's subject is how to treat hemorrhoid easily. Most of cases that, this is, let's say this is anus, then, part of the, large intestine coming out from, from inside to outside, then usually, round type, and we call that hemorrhoid. And I mentioned this one, how to prevent already, so, you gotta watch that, how to prevent. And however, already, coming out, then, you have to, do, the way I, telling you now. And usually, hemorrhoid comes, then, that is, round type, and it's swollen, and also sometimes it's pink color or red color. Now, depending on where it's coming out, there's lots of names and lots of terminology, but the method to treatment is relatively simple to acupuncturists. So I am going to share this idea about that. And then most of cases that hemorrhoid happen to more female, because I got the more phone call from the female. However, that I suggest, okay, let me treat you. I don't do that because sexual harassment, all kinds of things. So I just telling a patient that what to do. One time I went to a bathroom and do the bowel movement. When I clean up with the toilet paper, I felt something was strange feeling. After bathroom, and I am taking a shower. Then when I touch there, then I felt something round one came out from the anus. So I know that's a hemorrhoid. So I put some Vaseline, and then I do like cackle, and then however usually it goes in, but this time it doesn't go in. So at the night, and when I just look at it, my underwear, then lots of grease there. I'm sorry, but I'm just telling you, actually what happened. And the second day, same thing. So this is not the way, just leave it as it is. So I asked my wife that, prepare the needle and alcohol. Then we clean up. Then she poke into the head area, 3 times. Now, at the times, maybe it's painful. You try to slowly like this, then it's more painful. So this time, just poke, right away, then it's painful, but it is worth it than suffering, with the hemorrhoid. So then when she poked, a third time, then lots of blood comes out. Oh, now it's okay. So we clean up. Then I put again the Vaseline there. Then when I put like a cackle exercise, then I felt, it's going in now. So next morning, and when I check it out, it goes in and no hemorrhoid. So this is the very simple. Clean up with the alcohol and the poke, and then let them bleed. Then it's okay. Now, my experience with the hemorrhoid this time was after hemorrhoid came out, the fat coming out. Then, oh, maybe the region of hemorrhoid, maybe the air inside could not come out. That could, making developing hemorrhoid. This is just a theory, one of the theory now, but if my theory is right, then we have to think how to let air out. So now after my experience, I usually tell my patient what to do, and I did myself on me. Then I am very positive. This is a very effective way to remove hemorrhoid. And then I heard someone that got the surgery on there, and it's not tightened up, and sometimes coming out from there. Don't have to suffer, and very simple, and try it. Thank you so much for your watching.